morning, dear students. I welcome you all for today's class. Today we are going to learn countable and uncountable nouns. Chapter 10, page number 29. So in this video, we are going to talk about countable and uncountable nouns. Nouns can be either countable or uncountable. So let's look at countable nouns first. Countable noun is a noun that can be counted, or countable noun is something you can count using numbers. For example, 1 dog, 2 apples, 3 cats, etc. Countable noun has both singular and plural forms. For example, car, cars, apple, apples, dog, dogs. For countable nouns, we use an or a number. For example, a car, an apple, 3 apples, etc. With countable nouns, we can use a singular verb or a plural verb. For example, this apple is delicious and these apples are delicious. Let's look at a few examples and identify countable noun. Here, the children are playing in the garden. In this sentence, children is a countable noun as children can be counted. Next, I have 2 dogs. Here, dogs are countable noun because dogs can be counted. Now let's look at what is uncountable noun and how is it different. Anything that cannot be counted is an uncountable noun. I repeat, anything that cannot be counted is an uncountable noun. Or uncountable nouns are those that we cannot count with numbers. For example, water, milk, sugar, rice, oil, air, etc. They have only a singular form. We cannot use an or a number before an uncountable noun. For uncountable nouns, we use terms like a little, a lot, and some to show quantity. I hope you all now have a better understanding of countable and uncountable nouns. Let's do a quick recap of what we have learned in today's class. We spoke about countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are those that we can count using numbers. For example, you can see out here, eggs, we can count eggs. We can say 1 egg, 2 eggs. Banana, we can say 5 bananas. Olive, fries, we can count burger, we can count apple, we can say an apple, or we can say 3 apples, 4 apples. And uncountable nouns are those we cannot count with numbers. Examples: milk, we cannot count milk. We cannot count salt. We cannot count sugar. We cannot count rice using a number. We cannot say one rice. So these are countable and uncountable nouns. So this is all about countable and uncountable nouns. Thank you for staying with me. Till then, stay home, stay safe and be positive.